Children, so it's our exercise time now. We have some exercise in the workbook for the lesson water around us. Lesson 15, water around us. So coming to the workbook exercise. Exercise 1, Roman 1, tick the correct answer. So you have to tick the correct answer. Options are given A, B, C, D. 4 options are there. Read the question, read the options, which is the correct option. There you have to tick in the square box given. First one, the main source of water on the earth is. So we learned about the lesson water around us. There we learned about different sources of water. And we know the main sources of water is, yes, it is it ocean, rain, sea or pond? Yes, option B, rain. So put a tick mark. Second one, we should take a bath with dash and dash to save water. To save water, we should not bath under shower, isn't it? Then how? A mug, B bucket, C shower, D A and B. A is mug, bucket, B is bucket. So we should take a bath with mug and a bucket. Both these options are right. So that is in D, A and B. So we should take a bath with mug and bucket, means option A and B. Option A and B. So tick here. Then third one, rainwater gets collected in. Option A, lakes. Option B, ponds. C, both A and B. D, none of this. So rainwater gets collected in lakes, also ponds. Both the answers are correct. So A and B is the answer. So C option is both A and B. So A and B both is correct. So tick there. Okay. So the main first one, the main source of water on the earth is option B, rain. Second, we should take a bath with mug and bucket, means A and B. So option D is correct to save water. Third one, rainwater gets collected in lakes and ponds, means both A and B. Yes children, so our next exercise in the workbook, exercise 2, tick the true and cross the false statements. So given are few statements, we have to read the statement and check whether the given statement is true. If the statement is true, put a tick mark in the square box. If the statement is false, then put a cross mark. Okay. So the first one, factories pollute water. Is the statement true or false? Factories pollute water. From the factories they send waste to the water, isn't it? So in that way they are polluting water. So the given statement is correct. So you have to put a tick mark in the square box. Yes, factories pollute water. Second statement, most part of the earth is covered with land. Is the statement correct, children? Is the most part of the earth covered with land or water? Most part of the earth is covered with water, not land. So the given statement is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark in the square box. Okay, third one, water maintains our body temperature. Water maintains our body temperature. Is the statement true or false? We have to drink a lot of water. Then only in our body all the body functions will take properly. Most inside the body 60-70% consists of water. Our body needs water a lot. So it maintains our body temperature level. So it is a correct statement. So you have to put a tick in the square box. Okay. Fourth one, we should not close the tap while brushing our teeth. While brushing, our tap should be open. Is it good? No, we should not we should not open the tap while brushing. When we have to wash, then only we should open it. We should not simply open the tap and keep while brushing. So we should not close the tap, means we should open it. So the given statement is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark. While brushing, you should not open the tap, we should close it, isn't it? Fifth one, the last one, we should use sprinkler while watering plants. While watering plants, we should use sprinkler so that water should not waste. So the given statement is right. So you have to put a tick mark. Yes. So factories pollute water. Correct statement, so tick mark. Most part of the earth is covered with land. Statement is wrong, so put cross. Water maintains our body temperature. The given statement is right, so put a tick mark. We should not close the tap while brushing our teeth. The statement is wrong, so we should put cross. Last one, we should use sprinkler while watering plants. The statement is true, so tick mark. Yes children, so our next exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So here in a box there are few words given. So you have to read those words and take the correct word and fill up the blanks. Okay, so coming to the first question. The first one, read out. Earth is also called a dash planet. Earth is also called a, see the words given in the box, mug, blue, rain, bucket, jaundice. Which one is the correct? Earth is also called a, yes, blue planet. So write blue here. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue planet. Now coming to the second question. Dash is the main source of water on the earth. Which is the main source of water on the earth, children? See the box and tell the answer. Yes, rain is the main source of water on the earth. So write rain here, R-A-I-N, rain. Now coming to the third question. Always take a bath using a dash and dash. In order to avoid wasting water or avoid wasting water, we have to use mug and bucket to bath instead of a shower, isn't it? So always take a bath using a mug and bucket. So using a mug, M-U-G, mug, and bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. So always take a bath using a mug and bucket. These are the answers. Fourth one, drinking polluted water can cause, if you happen to drink any dirty or polluted water, we may get disease. Which disease? Yes, jaundice. J-A-U-N-D-I-C-E, jaundice. Okay. So, what is our first one? Earth is also called a blue planet. Dash is the main source of water on the earth. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Always take a bath using a mug and a bucket. Drinking polluted water can cause jaundice. Okay. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 4. Answer the following questions. Okay. So read the first question, children. Come on. What is the first question written here? Yes. Why is Earth also known as blue planet? So why Earth is known as blue planet? We know most part of the Earth is covered with water in the form of seas, rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds. So most of the part is water. So it is also known as a blue planet. Yes, that's the reason. Let's see the answer. Answer. Most part of the earth is covered with water. Full stop. That is why Earth is also called blue planet. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the second question. Which is the second question here? What are the sources of water? So we learned about different sources of water. We know rain is the main source of water. Then other sources are rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, underground water, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Answer. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Full stop. Rainwater gets collected in lakes, ponds, comma, rivers, comma, springs, comma, seas and oceans, full stop. So this rainwater gets collected in all these lakes, ponds, rivers and all. Underground water is taken out by digging wells, comma, tube wells and hand pumps. So this rainwater goes deep inside the earth also. So from there underground, how we are taking this water? By digging wells, tube wells and hand pumps. So why is earth also known as blue planet? Most part of the earth is covered with water. That is why earth is also called blue planet. Second, what are the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater gets collected in lakes, ponds, rivers, springs, seas and oceans. Underground water is taken out by digging wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Okay. Yes, so the next question. Question number 3. Why is it important to store drinking water properly? Why we should store the drinking water properly? Answer. It is very important to store and handle drinking water properly so that it does not become dirty. The water will not become dirty. That's why we need to store it properly. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like jaundice and cholera. If we drink any dirty water, what happens? We get diseases like cholera, jaundice with severe vomiting and all. Okay, so that's why it is very important to store drinking water properly. Then fourth one, what are the different uses of water? Why we have different uses, isn't it? Not only drinking, we use it for cooking, bathing, washing, etc. So living things cannot survive without water. All living things need water. We need water for all our activities like drinking, washing, bathing and cooking. Now, what is underground water? Some of the rainwater seeps under the ground. This is called underground water. So why is it important to store drinking water properly? It is very important to store and handle drinking water properly so that it does not become dirty. Full stop. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like jaundice and cholera. Next, fourth question. What are the different uses of water? Answer. Living things cannot survive without water. Full stop. We need water for all our activities like drinking, washing, bathing and cooking. Full stop. Next, fifth question. What is underground water? Some of the rainwater seeps under the ground and this is called underground water. Our last question in answer the following session is sixth question. Write 2 measures to avoid water pollution. Write any 2 methods to avoid water pollution. So to avoid water pollution, first one, do not wash clothes or bath in ponds, rivers and lakes. Don't bath near ponds, rivers, lakes or wash clothes there. Second, do not lay water pipes and drainage pipes side by side. If like that happens, if drainage pipes leaks, it mixes with this drinking water and drinking water get polluted. Okay, so to avoid water pollution, do not wash clothes or bathe in ponds, rivers and lakes. Second one, do not lay water pipes and drainage pipes side by side. Now coming to the hot question, children. One question we have there. Why should we water plants early in the morning? Why can't it be in the evening or afternoon time? Why we should water plants early in the morning? Is there any benefit for that to the plants? Yes. Watering in the early morning will make the water available to the plants throughout the day. If we water the plants early in the morning, that water will be available to the plants the whole day, and so that the plants will be able to deal better with the heat of the sun. So they can deal with the heat of the sun. Otherwise, sun's heat, if it is more, there is a chance for them to get tired, isn't it? So we have to give water or water the plants early in the morning so that till evening they can deal with the heat of the sun. So why should we water plants early in the morning? Watering in the early morning will make the water available throughout to the plants throughout the day, so that the plants will be able to deal better with the heat of the sun. Okay. Yes, children. So next is value-based questions. Okay, you have to think and answer these questions. The first value-based question in the workbook exercise given is page 50. Which method is being used to purify water in your house? In your house, which method do you use to purify water, children? That you must know. I don't know how you purify water in your home, right? Some they use filtering techniques. Some boil the water and they drink. Some they use filtered water, isn't it? So which method you are using in your home, that you have to write. Okay, children? Yes. Now coming to the second one, B. What precautions should be taken to prevent the spread of waterborne diseases? So what precautions we can take to prevent these diseases from water? If we drink some dirty water, or from water there are some diseases that we can get if we drink dirty water or polluted water. So how can we prevent ourselves from that? Drink properly treated, filtered or boiled water. You have to drink good water, clean water. It should be treated well before drink, or filter it or boil it. Any method you can use. Store water in a clean container. Store the drinking water in a clean container. Water containers should be washed daily. The water where you keep the container, every day you should wash it properly. Then always wash hands before and after preparing food or eating. Before eating food you should wash hands. After eating food also you should wash hands. Or before preparing food or after preparing food, after eating, before eating, you have to wash hands. Wash hands with soaps after using washroom. When you go to the washroom, then after that you have to clean your hands with soap and water. Use detergent and hot water. Discard or flush any stool in the toilet. You can use detergent powder, you can use hot water to clean toilets, and even if there is any waste in the toilet, you have to flush it out. Okay. Yes, so what precautions should be taken to prevent the spread of waterborne diseases? Drink properly treated or filtered or boiled water, full stop. Store water in a clean container, full stop. Water containers should be washed daily, full stop. Always wash hands before and after preparing food or eating, full stop. Wash hands with soaps after using washroom, full stop. Use detergent and hot water, comma, discard or flush any stool in the toilet. Okay. Now next is a home assignment, a project. What is the given in the project? Visit a water treatment plant with your parents and watch how polluted water is being converted to drinking water. If there is any water treatment plant nearby, you can visit there with your parents or any elder members in your family, and you see how the dirty water they are converting by cleaning and all, how they are converting it to drinking water. The water treatment plant, they convert the water, they collect the water from rivers, lakes and all, and rivers, lakes water will be not pure to drink, so they will collect those water there and they convert it into drinking water. They purify it, they clean it. The process is going on in this water treatment plant. So try to visit there. And please children, you have to save water, reduce water pollution, because water is precious. So what all things you learned from this lesson, that values always you should keep in the mind. So what all things you can do to save water, you must do that. Okay. Thank you.